How to change default terminal directory on Visual Studio Code. Hey everybody, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily change the default terminal directory. So what I'm going to do first is I have my Visual Studio Code open here. I'm going to just open up my terminal. And as you can see by default, the terminal is on my C drive, users, and then my username. So let's say if I want to change this, what I can do is first go to my file explorer, go to this PC, and then select the location where I want my default directory to be. So I've got this folder called playground, code playground. I can just go ahead and open this up. And what I'm going to do next is click on the blank space at the top, and it's going to copy the path to this location. Now come back to Visual Studio Code and then go to File. You just have to find the Settings menu. Just click on Settings and then click on Settings again. Now on the search bar, you're going to have to search for something called terminal.integrated.cwd. So let's just search for it, terminal.integrated.cwd. And you'll find this right here. Click on it. Now, once you've clicked on this, you'll find this blank space right here. If you have any existing terminal location, you can just delete it and then paste the location that you've just copied. And don't forget to click on Backup and Sync Settings, and you should be good to go. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll catch you on the next one.